Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. The blue hammer is sound, PPE is on, and the area is clear. First, position yourself with feet shoulder width and the target stabilized, then take a firm grip near the hammer end for power. Once done, deliver short, controlled swings aimed at a single point to start cracks. This reduces bounce and prevents uncontrolled fragments. Make sure to keep your wrist straight and breathe. The initial hits are about control, not brute force, so you set yourself up for successful breaching. Once the initial fractures appear, you shift to a systematic pattern. Alternate strikes on top, sides, then center to expand the opening without shattering the structure. Use the hammer's claw or pry tip as soon as a gap reaches 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Leverage reduces required force and preserves the tool. Make sure to pause every couple minutes, check teammates, and communicate intent. This prevents surprises. If metal or rebar appears, strike alongside to bend before cutting, preserving your progress and safety. You complete the task by clearing debris and widening the breach to the needed size using pries and wedges. Work outward from the initial hole to avoid collapse. Once done, check for gas odors, live wires, and any shifting structure. If detected, stop and signal for a specialist. If the blue hammer head becomes loose, switch immediately to the pry function or a backup tool, then secure the head with a clamp or heavy-duty tape before resuming. This quick fix prevents sudden failure and injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.